Hi guys, it's Van from Review My Life coming to you with an honest review for ingredients that you can say is from the farm to the table. You can check out Cook's Ventures website in the description below so we can go through their website together, or you can, as always, finish listening to the video and then checking out the website. I'm just letting you know that their website link is in the description below. So, basically, Cook's Venture is a company that sends out produce like chicken and beef from their all natural pasture farms to your front door. They basically boast pasture raised animals from heritage breeds using non GMO feed with no antibiotics, along with free shipping. So, basically, pasture raised meats that is of the highest quality. They say the difference is astounding in offering the best chicken and beef through more sensible farming systems and environmentally sound agriculture. So their products basically have a three steps where you order it, you choose your box to get the best pasture raised chicken or beef, and then you can get it delivered to your door with free shipping on every single order, I might add, and you basically cook and enjoy the meats. You can even pair it with their delicious recipes on their website. So the difference with Cook's venture to a more standardized farm is that they breed chicken and cattle to be healthy as nature intended. They can graze and forage on pastures every single day. They actually care about the health and economic well-being of their regional farmers who raise the animals and the growers who grow the feed. Because of their work, the animals are healthier and tastier for us consumers. They make sure that they take care of the land that they farm on so they can continue to give nutrients to the food. After all, we need the earth more now than it needs us. And honestly, I've been buying chicken from Cook's Venture for a while now. These birds by far are way more flavorful than those you can find in any grocery store. Trust me and try them. You'll never go back. They come in a cooler with enough ice packs to keep them frozen. I love their chicken and their beef so much actually that because it has so much flavor. It was the most tender and succulent poultry I've ever tried. The difference in quality of the chicken, even the beef, is so evident in the color of the meat. The taste is amazing, and my entire family has enjoyed the meats from the guys over at Cook's Venture. The flavor and texture of this chicken is out of this world, even after being thawed and refrozen. The beef and the chicken doesn't have that slimy juice thing or that weird thing that you buy from a grocery store chicken where after you defrost it there's this weird slimy thing on top of the skin. It smells clean and the size is appropriate for a chicken, which makes it really flavorful and rich. The bones even make a phenomenal broth. I swear the chicken and the beef is worth every penny, and you won't be seeing me back in the grocery store to buy chicken or beef again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Cook's Ventures website in the description down below. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. This has been Van from Review My Life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!